Thank you for tuning in to my 2,964th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, that's a lot. That's a lot of editions. I am very good at analysis. You should watch these videos. You should learn from me. I was born on Wall Street, raised on Wall Street, been trading for 44 years. Watch these videos. Before we get started, you must know that it's a risky game. Trading is risky. So how do we mitigate that risk? We plan a trade, and we trade the plan, and we put a stop in first. That is how you mitigate risk in this business. Stop goes in first. Make sure you have a trading plan and stick to the plan. That will help you. If you don't know how to do that, join me at livewithoscar.com. That is what we do every day of our lives. Speaking of livewithoscar.com, for you platinum members who take my real-time trading, do I get to take a bow for this week's trades or what? I mean, oh my God, Omni is just killing this thing, killing it. And the Omni says, about face for trading on Friday, that's September 5th, 2024. We're going back up, about face, no more downside. Omni told us that this afternoon. Start looking for the upside. It's been making fantastic calls. In fact, Omni got us short this morning, got us out right near the lows in NASDAQ, sidestepped, and boom, up we went. Omni arrow flips, and now we're ready to go long. Congratulations, Omni, you have been killing it for us. Gold, it's showing belated respect to the double top. We have a double top in gold, and you know, I'm fixing a bracelet right now because it's falling off, so let me do that. There we go. So, gold is showing belated respect to a double top. You had a top in gold when the market went up, put in a top, we came around for a while, put that top back in, but it blasted right through it. Now it's coming back down to respect for double top. This is what gold looks like right now. I'll show you the charts. We're not looking for downside, not that much in gold, but respect for the double top. Looks like it's being paid, and if that's happening in gold, likely silver will, in sympathy, pull back with gold. Then Bitcoin is joining the Omni, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell on the about face look. Looking for the upside as well. Go Bitcoin in a nice channel, bouncing off the bottom of that channel. And I've got charts for all of that to show you. I can't wait to show you those charts because that's my favorite thing to do in this world. And I'll show them to you in just a moment. Quick reminder, tomorrow's Friday. Reports are coming out. OmniAx, place your orders ahead of the reports unless I shoot them out during the reports. You place your orders. Reports get OmniAx great fills. We do not shy away from reports. Make sure your orders are in if you're following the platinum recommendations. Australian Omni Campers, where's my hat? I could use it. Give me that hat right now. Australian Omni Campers, where are you? I've gotten all of your applications. I've called a lot of you back. Actually, some of you, I've sent some emails. Please shoot those emails back. You know who you are. Wait for those emails. Time's ticking. We got to get set up in Australia. Shoot back my emails, you Omniacs who filled out those applications. And I promise I will be there for you in about a month. Oh, I think I'm stuck in this thing. I think I'm going to wear it forever now. Ready, David? Thank you. So, go to omnibootcamp.com. Australia Omni Camp will be October 17th. It lasts for 4 days. It's a long weekend in Australia. The only way you're going to find out is if you go to omnibootcamp.com right now. Fill out those OmniCamp applications. We're going to go look at some charts in a moment. But right before we look at those charts, please humor me. Take a look at what the OmniAx said at my last OmniCamp. I know this will convince you that there is no better place to go if you want to get good with markets and you want to start to win. Watch this quick clip and we'll look at some charts.
Good afternoon, traders. Good evening, traders from across the globe. Every time I've ever shown this to people, I have people that are like flag experts and they're flabbergasted. Say it with me. I will always place my stop first.
We're here at Omni Camp in Las Vegas with Oscar Carboni and a couple other gentlemen. Just came here mainly because I wanted my trading to be refined and defined.
The analysis I would use from trading without the Omni system was much more complex.
The genius of what we do is we've taken one of the most complicated things to do on this planet and simplified it to the point that I can sit here with 6th graders and they could easily do this, not even knowing how they're winning or why, but they could do this.
I know who the guy is because I've seen what he's done, but you don't know what the magic recipe is, right? And I get in here, and within almost the first day, the light starts coming on as to what his system is.
Anyone that's looking to join Omni Camp, if you have no experience, you don't care about any of that. All you care about is what the chart says. You'll be much better off for it.
There's almost a sense of relief that you see something, you have a plan, you see it, and then you go try to execute. That is brilliant.
And I think I got the discipline and everything I need to be successful with Oscar.
Traders, you seen that, right? I promise that will happen for you. I've got so many videos of Omniacs telling me, Oscar, you've changed my life. I love this. Why would you even teach this to anybody? And I always tell them the same thing. There is a God above. I don't hold big classes. My classes are very small. I fix 3-4 families at a time all around this world, and I love doing it. I get to leave a dent on this planet. There is a God above. If I share my gift with others, I get to keep it. The whole thing works. This is why I offer these Omni Camps out. It is very exclusive. Only a handful of you ever get to go to Omni Camp. But that is my reasoning, and you'll see Omni Camp will do the same for you. Traders, we're going to look at some charts, but before we do that, say this mantra to yourself. Say it with me. Believe me, I know it will help you. People all around the world tell me this helps them when they're in trades. And by now, you should know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you for tuning in. Now let's go look at some charts. The year of the Jets. I've been saying that for what, 50 years now? It never happens. We'll see. Traders, NASDAQ, daily bar, about face. Average comes up, hits the spot. Wall Street starts buying it right where they should, right at the trend line. About face, and where are we now? We're here. From here, it's starting to look good. Omni likes it. Omni's green for Friday. E-mini S&P, about face, average, trend line, boom, Wall Street comes in. Russell, about face. Well, actually, this is the YM. Russell will come up next. About face, look at this. But is that a flat top? We'll talk about that on another day. We're getting there, though. The likelihood is you're doing this tomorrow and no flat top because we've got a green Omni, and we believe in our green Omnis. Next is the Russell 2000, and that one is just bouncing very smartly off this fantastic average that seems to be working every time you get near it. And away we're starting to go. Previous highs were here. We're not much further away. I say the green Omni takes us higher in our Russell 2000, S&P, and NASDAQ tomorrow. Traders, if you want to work with me for 4 straight days in Australia, you'll need to go to omnibootcamp.com right now. There's 5 weeks left. This is a far trip for me. Got to get you set up. omnibootcamp.com. Go there, fill out your applications, and I will contact you. What's next? Double top reaction. Belated, yes, but still top 1 in gold. Then you get all the way over here and you get one bar past the double top, right? There's this bar, then there was that bar. Well, we turned around and tested that area. So maybe gold now needs to put a couple days in here or drop a little bit to respect the double top. But gold has been quite strong, so I don't think the top is in. And silver won't really go without gold, so they kind of need to go together. And then there's Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Look at Bitcoin, perfect spot where 2 trend lines come together. And what else? The average. And right there, boom, about face. That is the name of this video. That is the theme of tonight. That's what we expect for trading on Friday. Have a great day trading. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Please like, share, and leave your comments. I respond personally to all comments on my videos.